Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see, or rather until the watch turns off and vibrates. We need to keep holding it for about 5 to 10 seconds. So keep holding the button. After the screen turns off, keep holding it, and then the watch will vibrate, and once it does, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.